Hey, folks.
Hi, everybody. Good to see you. We're out here in the cold.
That's right. So this is Kevin and Thea. We're out here in the work area, which is attached to the greenhouse and the coop. And over the last month or so, Thea has spent a lot of time getting plants inside of the work area and coop, and she's going to give you a little tour of that. And we'll just point outside to the greenhouse there. The rest of the berry plants are all insulated with so there's a large thermal mass underneath the concrete here that stays fairly warm as long as we keep the buckets right on top of the area. And then we have 2x4 sheets of 3.5-inch thick blue dowel board, and so that's in both sides, the near side and far side. So that keeps the roots from getting damaged during the cold winters that we have here. It's always great when we get extra snow on top of them. But now we're going to take a look at what Thea's done inside here. Okay, hon.
All right, come on. Here we go. So what we did is we brought in some of the more delicate plants, or the plants that are borderline with our zone to spend winter out there, because we never know how bad the winter is going to get. Sometime one year we got minus 19 degrees,
Yeah.
So especially our smaller ones, we don't want to push them over the edge. So we thought we had the room in here. Let's bring them in here. The temperature has been, like today it was 46 in this building. Sometimes we do get 30 to just enough to make the water crust in the bucket over there. But that's rare. So I think this year putting them in here will help have more success so that they'll grow faster and they'll all be happy. So these are small trees that we have. Of course, we did bring in our rosemary too, and then we brought in our citrus.
We got chestnut trees here, right?
Yeah, we have chestnuts and some a small of the honey locusts and some pawpaws I think we have here.
And some curly willows.
Curly willows, yeah. Tiny little baby maples.
Yep.
Here, and then by the window we have some also. But we just had enough space to put them up in this area, so it worked really well. A few of our figs are out here, but most of them are in the coop. And when I check the temperature every single day, this building and the coop are exactly the same temperature, so I have a thermometer in each. We just had an overflow of figs to fit out there, so that's why I brought some in. So we can keep on walking, and I'll show you what we do have.
So here's some of the small trees here, potted trees.
And there's some shagbark hickory and things like that in here. And of course we have our mascot Timmy. And then out in the coop, we have the figs all up against this west wall and they lost their leaves, and they're doing just what they do every year. You always look and say, oh, their leaves are all gone, and then poof, springtime, they're just can't wait to take off for us. Then what I did is I put the rest of them, this is south, so they get a little more light. So we have actually some of our kale we're wintering over plants, and then Kevin started some more figs, and we put them on a heat mat here on the bottom, just so it'll be a little stimulated to make some roots and all. So it's kind of an experiment. These are English oaks, some pawpaws, and up here in this whole area, these are all young maples, and these are pawpaws over here. We have a couple of chestnuts in here, and
It's a mixture of all the different trees.
kind of like ones that look small that we just wanted to give it an extra chance.
Yep.
So that's what we've been doing. We also wanted to give a shout out to Kevin's brother Jim for being so kind and bringing pots from his friend, who we're so grateful for, and that is Noel and Mickey. And there's so many pots that we used that they brought, and we still have some around too. So you can never have too many pots, and it meant a lot to get them from them. Wonderful. So thank you very much, you guys, for the pots, and thank you, Jim, for being the transporter out here to the nursery area. Happy holidays, everybody. That's about what's going on here.
Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate your viewing the videos and giving us thumbs up and leaving comments and all. We thought we'd just show you what's going on in the nursery during the winter months. And the greenhouse is closed up and we're just hunkered down in here with all the plants.
All right, take care, you guys. Happy holidays.
All right, take care, folks. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.